Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and take a look at number 24. If you look above, the work above that I'm using for the scratch paper is from 23, because 23 and 24 are kind of interconnected. Let's take a look at number 24. The radius of a circle is 3.6 centimeters. The length of the arc of the circle cut by a central angle is 8.4. Find the measurement of the central angle. Alright, so this is actually the same thing. We're going to use the same formula. That's why I saved it here. So you're still going to use theta over 360 times 2 pi r. And it tells you that the radius is 3.6. So back to the formula, I'm going to plug in 3.6 here. And this is the length of the arc of the circle cut by a central angle is 8.4. Now that's a convoluted sentence. What it's basically saying is that the length of the arc is 8.4. So I'm actually giving you this value, and it asks you for what is the measurement of the central angle. So they're actually asking you for theta. Okay? Don't panic, just fill in what you know. So we go 8.4 is my arc length equals theta over 360 times 2 pi, and they do give us r. They say r is 3.6. So I substitute what I know into the equation. And we solve. Now, this problem here probably would not be intimidating if it was not for the fractions. So, you know what you do? You get rid of the fractions. Why have fractions if you need them? If you don't need them. So I'm getting rid of the fractions. I don't need no freaking fractions. I don't need no freaking fractions. Wow. Okay. So this cancels out. Alright. And then I'm going to go ahead and just multiply 360 times 8.4. Yeah, it's kind of useful to have a calculator at this point. 360 times 8.4. And I get 3024. So now I have 3024 is equal to theta times 2 pi 3.6. And I keep multiplying through. So I go 2 times pi times 0.6. I get 22.62. So now I have 22.62 theta. Note I put the theta in the behind the function. Okay. I almost said I put theta in the behind of the function. That would be very strange. All right. Divide by 22.62. And whatever that gives me is going to be my answer. $133.69. 133.69, which is my theta. And there you go. That probably would go with, I'm going to say C. And there's our answer. So, we'll just, it looks a little difficult. The only difference is that you're asked to find theta. I'd also note that if you're taking the final and this algebra is intimidating, you have your answer choices, so you could just substitute the answer choices in until you got to the correct answer. That is another option. So keep that in mind. And if you struggle, you can always use your answer choices to try to find the answer. If you can set it up, you probably can solve the question. All right, enough of me talking. See you in the next video.